everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, today's video about new makeup release by Huda Beauty Creamy Obsessions Eyeshadow Palette. This price is $35.12. Color neutral brown. Two monochromatic and versatile creamy palettes with innovative ultra-pigmented metallic, marble and cream to powder eyeshadows that blend seamlessly to create an array of timeless looks. From soft everyday eyes to full glam. These creamy palettes include for different types of innovative shadows and formulas. From bouncy cream to mattes with sensorial textures that transform from creams to soft powder with a matte finish. Use these powders alone as a base or to build intensity to a look. The cream to metallic shades have a unique formula that, when used as a standalone color, Color Greige. Our cream to marble powders have abstract swirls that create transformative color and texture for a velvety feel, and a multi-dimensional finish. Lastly is the set powder, a super thin velvety translucent powder to set your look in place all day, made to complement any skin tone. Our creamy palettes are available in neutral brown or greige, so you can set the tone of your look, literally create unlimited looks no matter your makeup skills. With these easy-to-use multi-use creamy shadows that help you create depth and define the eye. Innovative, intensely pigmented textures, fun and chic. Color harmonies, Blendable and buildable minimal fallout easy on-the-go palettes. Use your finger to build and blend your base with the cream to powder shadows. Pick up the metallic and marble powders, using a dense flat brush for a fully pigmented color payoff or a fluffy brush for a blended out smoky look. For major payoff, set the look with the semi-transparent set shade. If you liked today's video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon. Also, thank you for watching. Bye.